Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I know, it's not Matthew, it's Ruthie today because he called me earlier and asked me to make a video and I have no idea what I'm supposed to talk about, but here I am. Anyway, so Daddy made it through his surgery and he's not home and he needs to post a video, so he asked me to do it. And I guess I'll tell you, he's doing good. He's still in the hospital. He got there Friday, I think. Friday. And he should be home tomorrow. And maybe he'll have a video put out for y'all to see that he's recovering. But, yeah. Ellie's behind the camera. And she will not be, she won't get on the camera. I was trying to get her to be in the video with me. She's too shy. She's like pointing her eyes at something for me to talk about and I don't know what it is. What is it? Can you say it? She's not going to tell y'all because she's too shy. We had to pause it because I could not remember what I was supposed to say. Anyway, so I decided, since I finished my pumpkin mobile, that I'm going to do another build. And it's a Corvette that Mr. Alvis, I can't remember what his last name is, but he gave me it at, he gave me this Corvette kit at, not JacksCon, what was it called? Acme, that's what it's called. He gave it at Acme when we were in Atlanta, and I'm really excited because I think I'm going to paint it pink, but I'm really indecisive on that kind of stuff, and I'll probably change my mind. But anyway, right now I think I'm going to paint it pink. This is the model. I thought I was going to try something fancy because Daddy's videos, he's always just sitting here and then it like all of a sudden switches and he's over there at his little white desk and it's there. So I thought it would fall from the ceiling and it would be cool. But anyway, this is the model. I really like it and I'm excited. My Beebah at Beebah's Kitchen has a Corvette that's sitting in her garage and I really want my dad to fix it up. But they just think it has too much power and it would be too much for me, but I think I could do it. Anyway, tell Daddy in the comments that he should fix the Corvette up for me because it would be really cool to drive. So, try to convince him for me. Anyway, we're going to open this up and see if I can name off any of these parts. And let's see how well I can do. Alright, so we're going to open this up. Oh yeah. Do not judge my nails. Literally half of them have fallen off and yeah, so we're just gonna roll with it. Let's open this up. Well, see if I can without slicing off a finger. I'm gonna have to put hashtag ASMR down there. This is kind of hard to open. I think I could just rip it off. Okay. Let's open this up and look at the parts. There is no engine, which I'm honestly glad because if there was, Daddy would probably want me to put another one of those big Hemi thingies in there, and that was a little stressful, so there is no engine, and I am very glad. I don't know if he normally opens these or not, but I'm about to, so. There they are. Nice and shiny. I like putting the decals on, surprisingly. And just feel like it's kind of fun. Alright, moving to the next. Alright. We're going to try to name some of these off and see if I have any idea of what I'm talking about. I know that that's a steering wheel, and I literally, I don't know what that might be. Those are the, I know this is the back bumper. That is a bumper. Ellie's behind the camera saying it's not a bumper. That is a bumper. Oh well, next thing. I feel like this might be the what is it called? Pipes thingies that come, what are those called? Tailpipes?
I don't know.
That sounds weird. I don't know. Pipes. Okay, I think that these
5 minutes later.
This is the inside of the doors, I'm pretty sure. And oh no, I'm about to break it. I know that's a bumper, and I have no idea what these are. They just, listen, if I was building this kit by myself, half of these things would probably be left off because I have no idea where they're supposed to go. I think this might be the gear shifter. I'm not sure. I think, is it called hubcap? I think that these go in the wheels, maybe, and I feel like these things are usually red, and I'm probably wrong. Oh my goodness. Okay, well, I just realized as I'm saying that, I looked over and these are the tires, and this is what I thought was the hubcap. Then I realized that the hubcaps are supposed to be silver, and yeah, but anyway, and they were literally laying right beside these things. But do y'all get what I'm saying? You know those little, I think they're like brake thingies that are inside of the they're in the tire thing. They're usually like red. I don't know what they're called, but anyway, that's what I thought that was. Okay, moving on to the next thing. Oh yeah, one more thing. Y'all are probably thinking, what in the world? This is not the same Ruthie that we're watching on the other videos that Daddy makes. I just feel really awkward in front of the camera, and right now, I'm being myself right now. I know, y'all are probably like, man, she's annoying, but this is my personality. I don't know why I'm opening this, because it's just tires and a chair. Anyway, here's the tires and chairs. Or seats, not chairs. Oh my goodness, y'all are probably like, wow, she is really, oh man. Anyway, that's the seats, not chairs. Okay, anyway. And then here is the windshield, and I think these are headlights and taillights and some other things. And I think these are mirrors for the side of the car. But anyway, I'm not going to open these because these literally come on any kit. And I feel like they're all pretty much the same. But anyway, we made it through this video. I'm going to go back to the chair. Okay, just a second. Ellie thinks that this video isn't going to be long enough, so she told me to do something with Daddy's models. She said for me to try to name off the models, and then I realized that they all have the names of the car on the box, so that wouldn't be a challenge or anything. But so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna like just randomly pick, if I had to drive one of these, which one would it be? So let's do this challenge. So the one I would drive would probably be this Bronco. I would love to have a Bronco. I just think that they're so cute. I think that I had way too much fun making this video because I have literally been on my knees laughing a couple of times with things I've messed up saying and behind the scenes stuff. Bloopers. No. Anyway, we have to end this video because I'm hungry and I want some food. So, wait, actually, I have to read this list because I don't remember what I'm supposed to say for closing out the video. Don't forget to visit Hobby Nut Models, join the Facebook group, check out my dad's Teespring store, and check out the Patreon page. And also, go check out my channel. I know I don't post very often, but we've had a lot going on these past few weeks, and I kind of just forgot to post a video. So yeah. Anyway, make sure to go check me out, and go check out 603 Model Works. And yeah. Anyway, okay. I guess that's... She told me to say signing off.
That's what Daddy says.
Okay. The video is over, and I don't know what else to say. And I also noticed that I was looking back on the videos just a second ago when we were going to get the battery, and I keep looking up. I keep getting distracted because there's so much color, and I literally every 5 seconds I'm going like looking up at the models. But anyway, this is the end of the video. See ya, signing off. Now the music. Bye.